Yes, Swara, can we start our new point today? Okay. Yes, our new point is phenol. Phenol means if OH group is directly attached with carbon atom of benzene ring, is known as a phenol. Yes, if OH group is directly attached with carbon atom of alkyl group, they are known as a alcohol. If OH group is directly attached with carbon atom of phenyl group known as a phenol. Okay. There is a quite different between alcohol and phenol. Alcohols are neutral compound and phenol is acidic in nature. In phenol we should have to study about some applications, commercial applications क्या है. Then classification and nomenclature. Methods of preparation. Methods of preparation, phenol can be classified in two types. First one lab method, second one industrial production. क्योंकि importance of phenol in commercially based, phenol is a very important compound. So many chemicals can be prepared from the phenol. That's why it is necessary to prepare phenol on a large quantity. That's why industrial production is to be carried out. And then finally properties of phenol, both physical and chemical properties. Okay. Now you see the classification of phenol. Monohydroxy, dihydroxy and trihydroxy. Phenolic compound in which only one OH group is directly attached with carbon atom of benzene ring, it is known as a monohydroxyphenol. Dihydroxyphenol, in which two OH groups are directly attached with the carbon atom of benzene ring, they are known as a dihydroxyphenol. And similarly, if three hydroxy groups are directly attached with carbon atom of benzene ring, known as a trihydroxyphenol. Okay. Now the nomenclature. There are two methods which are used for the nomenclature of phenol. First one is common method, second one is IUPAC method. Yes, benzene having OH. This is common name is phenol. Benz one OH group is present on carbon. First carbon, you can give the numbering or not numbering. एक ही OH group है, numbering दो नहीं दो कोई चलेगा. It is also known as IUPAC name benz one all is second IUPAC name is known as a hydroxybenzene. If two functional groups are present on benzene ring, among the two groups, one group is hydroxy group and second group is methyl group. At that time, common name of this compound is known as a cresol. But the position of both OH and CH3 is ortho, then we can say orthocresol. If the position of both OH and CH3 is meta, then you can say metacresol. And position of both OH and CH3 is para, then we can say paracresol. ये तीनों तीन क्रेसोल है, लेकिन ये ऑर्थोक्रेसोल है, ये मेटाक्रेसोल है, दिस इज पैराक्रेसोल. ओके, इट्स IUPAC नेम पे जाते हैं. नंबरिंग देना पड़ेगा 1 2 3 4. Yes, 2-methyl benz 1-ol. It is also known as a 2-methyl hydroxybenzene. IUPAC name of metacresol is 3-methyl benz 1-ol, otherwise 3-methyl hydroxybenzene. Then in case of paracresol, 4-methyl benz 1-ol, otherwise you can say 4-methyl hydroxybenzene. And this is the compound in only one OH group is present and three nitro groups are present on benzene ring. Yes, but position of nitro group is on second, fourth and sixth position. Yes, this is an illustration of monohydroxyphenol. Its common name is picric acid. You can say phenol having three nitro group. That's why trinitrophenol. But the position of three nitro groups are on second, fourth and sixth position. That's why it is known as a 2,4,6. T for tri, N for nitro and P for phenol. It's also known as a 2,4,6-TNP. Sometimes you may be asked the question, write the full form and structural formula of TNP. So trinitrophenol is not sufficient, wrong जाएगा. Compulsory you should have to indicate 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. And its IUPAC name 2,4,6-trinitro-benz-1-ol, otherwise 2,4,6-trinitrohydroxybenzene. Yes, a picric acid is the very important reagent for the determination of presence of, to determine the presence of potassium ion. Potassium ion in lab, when you are going to lab to do the experiment related with analysis of inorganic solution. Yes, if solution is given having potassium ion, you add certain quantity of picric acid. If yellow precipitates are obtained, 101% potassium ion will be present. Reaction होगा क्या? One hydrogen is to be replaced by potassium. 2,4,6-trinitro. Yes, potassium salt of picric acid बनता है. And ये सब्सटेंस बनता है, ये सॉलिड सब्सटेंस आइसोलेट होता है सॉल्यूशन में से और उसका कलर हमेशा येलो होता है. तो yes, if the test with picric acid original solution gives yellow precipitate, then 101% picric acid will be present. In case of dihydroxyphenol, if two hydroxy groups are present on ortho position, known as a catechol, otherwise catechol also. Its IUPAC name is benz 1,2-diol, otherwise 1,2-dihydroxybenzene. If both OH groups are present on meta position, it is known as a resorcinol. This is the commercial name. IUPAC name is benz 1,3-diol, otherwise 1,3-dihydroxybenzene. If both OH groups are present on para position, yes, commercial name is hydroquinone, otherwise you can say quinol. IUPAC name is benz 1,4-diol, otherwise 1,4-dihydroxybenzene. In trihydroxyphenol, three OH groups are present on benzene ring, but the position 1, 3 and 5. Uska commercial name is pyrogalol. IUPAC name is benz 1,3,5-triol, otherwise 1,3,5-trihydroxybenzene. ये हो गया अपना classification and nomenclature of phenol. Okay, next time we will see the production preparation of phenol. Okay, next time देख लेंगे. Okay, thank you very much. See you later on.